Hey Travis kiddos, do I have some math challenges for you? Our first one is going to help us build into the second one. So the first one is, can you make a number bond for 8 with 3 parts using these numbers, and you can only use these numbers once each? Okay? So that's part of one of this challenge. I would recommend, so I'll hold it up so you can see, you can write it down for yourself. I recommend getting some cubes. So if you get 8 cubes, you can break it up into 3 parts. So you can break it here, you could break it here, but remember, you cannot have 2 parts that are the same, because then you'd have to use the same number twice. And you can't do that. So break your stick of 8 into 3 parts, and you can use these numbers, but only once each. If you found one way to do it, can you find another way? Can you find a third way? I bet you can. So keep at that and try to figure it out. If you were able to find 2, 3, maybe even 4 ways to break 8 up into 3 parts using these numbers once each, then you are ready for the next challenge. And it is a whopper. Now this one is one of the trickiest ones that we do. So there are a couple of things that I can do to help walk you through it or give you some tips. And you might have actually already solved it in class with me, in which case I'll give you the next step of it. So this is not a number bond, but it is a triangle in which you're going to put numbers. So you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No 0, no 7, no higher than that. Let me fix that 5 for you. So you are going to use these numbers once each in this triangle. Each row of 3 circles has to equal 9. So this number plus this number plus this number equals 9. This number plus this number plus this number equals 9. This number plus this number plus this number equals 9. So you're going to have to make sure you have the numbers in the right spots. So you can go ahead and pause and give it a try. My first tip would be, remember how you used 8 cubes on the last one and broke it up? Well, if you know each side is going to need to make 9, I recommend getting a stick of 9 and breaking it up into 3 parts. And again, you can't use the same number twice, so you can't have 2 of the same part. But you can find different combinations for 9 to help you figure this out. Okay, that's clue number 1. Clue number 2 is you might want to see what numbers are shared when you make all those combinations. Because you know if they're going to need to share it, you're going to need it for 2 sides. Hint, hint, might need to be a corner. And another tool or strategy you could use is you could put the numbers on little Post-its so that you're moving them around so that you know you're only using each number once and you're trying to see if each side makes 9. Okay, so that is your math challenge number 2. And if you master that one after you found multiple ways to split 8 into 3 parts, and you solved this, making sure each side is 9, see if you can use these same numbers and your same Post-its, but can you make each side 10? It's going to have to be a little bit different than your 9. Okay? So good luck with that. Let me know if you need some extra support. I'm here for you. I have lots of tips and tricks for you. But those are some to get you started. Just try your best. Remember, challenges are designed to make you struggle. Think outside the box. Think of new ways of doing things and finding multiple solutions. All right, have fun with it. Happy learning.